Hey guys, welcome to just another fun day at ATQ. Got a customer down here from Montreal, Quebec, and we're going to be installing his 2010 to 16 ATQ Differential Bushing package today. As you can see, his factory bushing is kind of mangled, makes a lot of noise, so we're going to put our kit in and hopefully it makes it better. So here we've got the scale coilovers that someone installed for the customer, and he's getting a lot of noise, so I decided to look at the springs and everything, make sure everything's good. Check this out. This is a professional installation right there from some shop that doesn't know what the hell they're doing. All four of them are like that, and they're all loose. So now we're gonna walk to the front, and we're gonna look at the shifter setup. So if you look in here, we have the unique performance short shifter, which was really loose for the customer. We actually made a video of it earlier. So kind of look in there, nice and rusty. And you see that piece of rubber hanging down? That is the O-ring that seats the shifter and the shifter collet properly into the assembly. So someone, whoever installed this, you know, wasn't paying attention, didn't really care, and they tore off the dust boot that's supposed to prevent this from rusting and getting corroded. So the customer's got the cooler work shifter. He's gonna install it down the road. If you look in the back there, you have the OEM Genesis Coupe shifter bushing. As you can see, it's separated. This is very, very common. I highly recommend getting the ATQ bushings to not have this issue. What that'll do is it'll make a shift really funky, and yeah, it's loose, it sucks, no one likes it. Anyways, we'll update you guys as we do the diff kit, and we'll be in touch in probably about an hour.